Hi, my name is Matthew McCabe, owner of Macline Plumbing, and if you're watching this, then that means you received one of my flyers or heard one of my advertisements. And I'm glad you looked me up because I believe having a visual on a person goes a long ways. So let me introduce myself to you some more. My wife and kids and I, we moved to the Springs in 2012, and shortly after that, I started my plumbing apprenticeship program. I have experience in service, in remodels, additions, custom new homes, and some commercial stuff as well. I believe I would be a good fit for you. So give me a call or a text or email, and I'll be right out. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.